Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk about something that's probably been bugging a lot of you. Why is your Chime Spot Me limit stuck at that measly $20? I know, right? You're like, I've been using Chime for months, I'm responsible with my money, so why the heck can't I get a higher limit? Well, today we're diving deep into this issue. Let's break it down. Chime Spot Me is basically an overdraft protection service that lets you overdraw your account by a certain amount without charging you those pesky overdraft fees. Sounds great, right? But when that limit is stuck at $20, it feels like Chime is playing hard to get. So, what determines your Spot Me limit? Well, it's not a random number generator. Chime looks at a few factors. Account history. How long have you been a Chime member? Are you consistently using your account? Are you paying your bills on time? These things matter. Direct deposits. How much money do you regularly deposit into your Chime account? The more you deposit, the more trust Chime has in you. Spending habits. How do you spend your money? Are you making consistent purchases, or are you all over the place? Chime wants to see a pattern of responsible spending. Now, let's talk about how to increase your Spot Me limit. Unfortunately, there's no magic button. But there are things you can do. Be patient. The more you use your Chime account responsibly, the higher your chances of getting a limit increase. Increase your direct deposits. Try to get as much of your income deposited into your Chime account as possible. Avoid overdrafts. While Spot Me is there to help, try to avoid overdrawing your account altogether. It can impact your limit. Check for Spot Me boosts. Sometimes, Chime offers temporary boosts to your Spot Me limit. Keep an eye out for those. But what if you've been a loyal Chime member for ages, you have consistent direct deposits, and you're still stuck at $20? Well, it's time to reach out to Chime's customer support. They might be able to shed some light on the situation or even help you manually increase your limit. Remember, building trust with a financial institution takes time. So, keep using Chime responsibly, and hopefully, that Spot Me limit will start climbing. Now, I know what you're thinking. $20 isn't exactly going to solve all your financial problems. It's a start, but it's definitely not enough. So, while we're working on increasing that Spot Me limit, let's also talk about building a solid financial foundation. We'll cover topics like budgeting, saving, and investing in future videos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.